Yo, YouTube, what up? It's Foster with Tech a Day. And this is, if you believe it or not, the third time I'm trying to shoot this video. So, hopefully, we don't get a copyright strike for this one. Uh, we are going to show you on the Razr Fold how we have conquered black bars. And obviously, we have the upcoming proclaimed king of content, the wide fold, right? Now, as you can see on the screen right now, we have basically the same format on both screens. It's the wide format and the normal bifold, and this is 16 by 9 on both. And you can see the picture is the same. Now, I found this out yesterday on my device that I had been doing this kind of wrong because, I can look at it with that slight distortion just a little bit. But what I had been doing on my devices on the folds is, if you understand, when the picture, when you go completely full screen, the cutout for the camera is right here. And there is a setting that allows you to go completely full screen and it will cover that. So you get edge to edge. And so I would always do that. And what happens is, because that exaggerates the extra space on the screen so much, it makes the distortion in the picture even greater. So I didn't realize that it made such a big difference until I got on this and realized, let's just change this aspect ratio on here and let's just see what and how it changes, right? All right, so this is 4:3. So now, as you see, there is clearly just a little bit of distortion. Definitely minimal black bars, but still you got some, right? This is still good to me. I said, bam, I'm going to take this, right? I'll take this all day. Like, this ain't bad, right? But you know what? We can do better. Now, if we fit the parent, this is, I think, still like a 16 by 9 because it's still the same. It's still the same picture, basically. I don't understand what that does when you do it. So it's basically, I think it's 16 by 9. So it just, to this. So there's no distortion here, right? Still the same thing. But, uh-oh. Oh, snap. Hold on. All right. All right, we're back. All right, let's go again. Okay. Now, see that? It's still the same. But let's change it to fill the parent. Now, if you do this, what happens? This screen is full. But what I discovered is you lose about maybe 15% of the picture, right? Like if you just look at the two pictures, you can see kind of what's missing from one that's in the other, right? And that's what you're missing from the picture. But you get a full screen on the normal bifold, and it's not distorted, and it's not stretched out. It's the same one. It's just, it's kind of zoomed a little bit to fit the screen, but to do that, you basically, you're gonna lose. You basically take this and then you put it on this, but because the screen isn't as long, but it's bigger, you're gonna lose some on the outside. And that's the only way that you can do it without distorting the screen. And so you're looking at the two pictures. Now, are you actually losing detail in that scene? Right now, where you do miss out, if you have when you have like, if you have words or stuff, that are coming from the side, or some stuff like that, that might get cut off. I've seen it where you have like titles or people's names, coming in from the side or something like that. That, I'm not gonna lie to you, there's a slight compromise in this when you do it this way. But let's not pretend like the wide fold isn't going to be a compromised device in itself. And let's remember that the wide fold, the compromises here are permanent, meaning the cameras that are going to be put on this are compromised versus the flagship cameras you can find on the Moto Razr Fold 2026, even the Galaxy, Fold 7, Fold 8, I'll go Honor V6, V5. All of these have flagship level cameras. Oppo N6, amazing level cameras, right? Wide folds are not going to have those. The chips, I'm pretty sure the Galaxy Fold 8 is probably going to have an 8 Gen 5 Elite chip. So technically, I think that chip's going to be technically better than that. So that's not necessarily a compromise. But the charging speeds, the batteries, going to be a compromise in this, right? Permanent. You can't change those. In this one, though, if I needed to see those words at any point, all I got to do is hit a button and I can go 16:9 and I'm seeing the same thing on this screen as I'm seeing on this screen. I just deal with a couple black bars, right? And so this is that taskbar area at the top that I was saying. But what I was doing before is I was having this screen stretch up here. And when you stretch this up here, automatically, then you distort the camera, you distort the picture. And now this picture is now not the same. But as you see, it is the same picture on both screens in the same size. No distortion, no stretching. So like I said, the Moto Razr has now conquered black bars. No black bars. Like I said, it's a slight compromise. You lose maybe 10, maybe 15% of the picture. But as you're watching this, are you missing any of these scenes? Are you losing 15% of the story of what's going on in front of you? I mean, you're looking at both of these scenes right here, right? Are you missing something? Are you really, as you stop saying, oh man, I'm missing out. It looks more drastic in that slight, the way I stopped it, but are you? I don't think so. So you tell me. Like I said, content on folds has always been about how you watch, not what, because there's always a way to get this correct. And the new wide folds that are coming out, this singular purpose is the reason that they are being created. It's yeah, when you fold them sideways, the e-reader thing, like that's a great application, but that's not why. It is solely The video applications on these devices is the whole reason why people are talking about this, because when you open a fold up, that is the thing that seems to irk people so much is, hey, I got this device, and when I open it up and I watch a video, the video is basically the same size as it would be on my S26 Ultra, S25 Ultra. So why do I have this $2,000 device when I could have just kept my S26 Ultra? What is the point? And I'm not saying that they're wrong, because they clearly missed the whole point of a foldable. If that's the only thing that you're doing with your foldable and that's the most utility you're going to get out of it, you missed the point, dog. You missed the point severely. So usually that person also is saying, you know what, I rarely open my device anyway, and I just use the cover screen. Those arguments are usually synonymous with each other. They go together in most cases. And I get it. If you don't open your fold, chances are you don't need a fold. You know what I mean? What's the point if you don't unfold it? You might as well stick with a slab phone. I get it. But as we've seen here, the black bars are no more. We are free. Let us free. We are out. No more bars holding us back. So take a look at my description. We got a bunch of links in the to our Amazon store. Man, we've added, they didn't put no charger in the box. And I don't know how many of you guys got an 80-watt charger at home, but we've added a bunch of 80-watt chargers to the Moto Razr list, and they're very economical. You know what I'm saying? And they're good chargers. So go ahead and take a look at those to make sure you get the fastest charging when you get home, because this thing charges like a beast. Okay? So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.